Today we have a 2014 Toyota Tundra SR5 4x4, 16,500 miles, clean auto check, comes with a 30-day dealer warranty. Give you a look at it here. First thing you notice, it does have the big chrome grille with the black fascia insert. It does have the chrome bumper corners with the plastic fascia center. It does have the high definition headlighting. Bring it back to the side, you will see it has the 18-inch steel wheels with plastic center caps, and you got Michelin rubber on there, around half to 3/4 tread on those tires. And you'll see by the badging it has the I-Force 5.7 liter V8 engine. If you look inside, you see it is predominantly black and gray interior. It does have some brushed aluminum inserts on the door and the dash around the vents. It does have the nice big rubber floor mats to protect your carpeting. And the SR5 badging on the back door. And first thing you see when you look in the back is these things are huge inside. There's plenty of space in here. And if you need more cargo, there's seats. Just a pull of a button, seats fold up, drop right back down. You'll see there's a power port back there on the back of the console, along with a couple heat vents. Tires on the back are slightly better than the front. They're a little closer to 3/4. And you see the back bumper is pretty much like the front. You get the chrome corners, plastic center, gives you a little better footing for crawling on and off. And you have your new spare in there behind where the license plate will go. You have your hitch receiver, your plugs for your lights, wiring. And you have your backup cam, which is right here beside your tailgate handle. You see it does have a plastic drop-in liner. Rear defrost. Another thing that's kind of nice about these, they do have a power sliding rear glass. It's kind of a neat feature, so you can put your back glass up and down. And of course the seats on this side, same thing as the other side. Just pull of a button, lift them or drop them. And then you have your split in the center for armrest / cup holders. Up inside and give you a quick look at the interior. Before we jump in, I'll show you the door here. You have your power windows and locks on your door. And you see the mileage, currently 16,595. And down here along your left, where your left knee will be, you'll see you have your bed light, your cab light for the back. You have your power mirror switches. And you can turn your interior lighting on and off there. You have your button for your power rear glass. On your steering wheel, you have your audio controls, you have your cruise control, you have your voice activation, telephone, Bluetooth. And I'll go ahead and try to light this dash up a little bit. I'll give you a look and see what that all looks like. You'll notice down here is your 4-wheel, 2-wheel drive selector switch. Have your heating and air conditioning controls, front and rear defrost, air conditioning. We'll see it does have satellite radio, XM. Show you a couple of the features on here. So you can run your phone right through here. You can link your phone straight into the radio. And it does have a CD slot above the stereo. Real nice roomy truck inside. It's clean, no real smoke or pet smell at all. ahead and hop out. We're going to give you a look out under the hood. It does have a 5.7 liter V8. That's Toyota's I-Force. Get decent fuel economy for being a big V8 engine. You get around 17-18 miles per gallon on the highway. And that'll drop down to around 13 around town. And lastly, we're going to walk around here and going to point out any imperfections that we can find on here. That way, if you're interested in it, you'll know ahead of time what you're coming out to look at. There are a couple little light scratches that have been buffed and waxed over, which I can't really show them to you on the video here because they just will not show up. They're barely visible. There are a couple scrapes here on the top of the bed. As you can see, there's 4 of them there. The worst one being about 1 inch long. Here's a small paint chip that has been touched up above the driver's side tail light. And again, there are a few little scratches that have been touched up behind the driver's rear door. And this side's kind of like the other side. There's some real light scratches that have been buffed over that you can't really, I mean, you can barely see them at all. Not sure that you can even see them here on the video, but just want to let you guys know that they are there. Like I said, not real noticeable. But other than that, it's a good looking clean truck. If you or someone you know may be interested in coming out to take a look or test drive it, you can give us a call, 717-485-4224, or look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you very much.